Have you ever wondered why nutrition is so crucial during pregnancy? Well, it's because what you eat impacts not only your own health, but also the development of your little one. Imagine your body as a construction site and food as the building blocks. The more high-quality materials you bring in, the stronger and healthier the structure you can build. This is exactly what happens during pregnancy. Your baby's body is being built from scratch, and the nutrients from your diet provide the raw materials for this building process. Proteins, for instance, are like the bricks, forming the basic structure of your baby's body. Vitamins and minerals act as the skilled workers, ensuring everything goes smoothly and on schedule. And let's not forget about healthy fats. They're like the insulation, providing energy and supporting your baby's brain development. So it's clear that a well-balanced diet is essential for a healthy pregnancy. But what should this diet include? In the first trimester, we're laying the groundwork for your baby's development. This initial phase of pregnancy is critical, as it's when the baby's organs and structures start to form. The groundwork is indeed being laid, and the building blocks are the key nutrients you intake. Let's start with folic acid, often the star of the show in the first trimester. Folic acid, a type of B vitamin, is crucial for the development of the baby's neural tube, which later forms the brain and spinal cord. It's also essential for the creation of new DNA as the baby's cells rapidly multiply. Foods rich in folic acid include leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale and fortified cereals. Next, we have iron. This mineral is a vital component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen to your body's tissues. During pregnancy, your blood volume increases to supply oxygen to your growing baby, making iron all the more important. You can find iron in foods like lean meats, beans, and spinach. Lastly, let's talk about calcium. This nutrient is necessary for the development of your baby's bones and teeth. It also helps to maintain the mother's bone density during pregnancy. Dairy products are a great source of calcium, but you can also find it in foods like broccoli and almonds. It's worth noting that while these nutrients are particularly important in the first trimester, they continue to play a crucial role throughout your entire pregnancy. Also, while we've highlighted some food sources, these nutrients can also be found in a variety of other foods and in prenatal vitamins. So, as you navigate the first trimester of your pregnancy, remember to prioritize these key nutrients. They're the building blocks that will help lay a solid foundation for your baby's growth and development. Remember, your first trimester is all about setting up a healthy base for your baby's growth. The second trimester is a time of rapid growth for your baby. This is when your little one starts to look more like a tiny human, with bones hardening and muscles forming. And to support this incredible transformation, your body requires an increased amount of certain nutrients, most notably protein and calcium. Let's talk about protein first. It's often called the building block of life, and for good reason. Protein is essential for the growth of your baby's organs, including their brain. It also plays a crucial role in the development of their hair, skin, and nails. So where can you find this vital nutrient? Good sources of protein include lean meats like chicken and turkey, eggs, and dairy products. But if you're vegetarian or vegan, don't worry. There are plenty of plant-based sources of protein too, such as lentils, chickpeas, and quinoa. Now let's move on to calcium. This incredible mineral is responsible for building your baby's bones and teeth. But that's not all. Calcium also supports your baby's heart, nerves, and muscles, helping them to develop properly. Dairy products are an excellent source of calcium, but again, if you're avoiding dairy, you can get your calcium from other sources. Think green, leafy vegetables like broccoli and kale, as well as fortified plant-based milks and juices. Remember, it's not just about quantity, but quality too. Your body is doing an amazing job of creating a brand new life, so treat it well. Choose nutrient-dense foods that will provide you with the vitamins and minerals you need while also tasting delicious. After all, pregnancy is a time to enjoy food, not just to fuel your body. And don't forget to drink plenty of water. Staying hydrated is just as important during the second trimester, as it aids in the delivery of these essential nutrients to your growing baby. In the second trimester, it's all about fueling that remarkable growth. So, eat well, stay hydrated, and enjoy this amazing journey. Your body is doing an incredible job, and the right nutrition can help it do even better. In the third trimester, we're preparing your baby for life outside the womb. This period is a time of rapid brain growth, and certain nutrients become especially important. Let's start with DHA, a type of omega-3 fatty acid. It's a key player in the development of your baby's brain and eyes. Foods like salmon, sardines, and chia seeds are excellent sources of DHA. If you're not a fan of fish, don't worry. You can also find DHA in walnuts and flax seeds. Next up is choline, another star in the brain development show. It helps in forming vital connections within the brain. Eggs are a fantastic source of choline. You can also find it in lean meats, fish, and dairy products. And let's not forget about whole grains and legumes. They're choline champions too. But the third trimester isn't just about your baby's development. It's also about maintaining your health. A balanced diet can help you feel your best as you prepare for childbirth. Prioritize lean proteins, fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats. And remember, you're eating for two, but you're not eating twice as much. It's about quality, not quantity. Hydration is another key aspect of your third trimester. Your body needs more water to support the increased blood volume. So, keep a water bottle at your side. And if you're tired of plain water, mix it up with decaffeinated herbal teas or fruit-infused water. Lastly, don't forget about your prenatal vitamin. It's your nutritional insurance policy, making sure you're getting all the nutrients you and your baby need. But remember, it's a supplement, not a substitute for a healthy diet. So as you navigate this final stretch, focus on nourishing both your body and your babies. Choose foods rich in DHA and choline, maintain a balanced diet, stay hydrated, and keep up with your prenatal vitamin. In your final trimester, it's all about getting your baby ready for their big debut. Let's wrap things up with some key takeaways about nutrition and pregnancy. Nutrition during pregnancy is not just about eating more. It's about eating right. The foods you consume are the main source of nutrients for your baby, so it's critical to consume a variety of foods to get all the essential nutrients you both need. In the first trimester, we're laying the foundations. Your body is busy building your baby's life support system, including the placenta and a tiny heart. To support this, you need a good balance of proteins, vitamins, and minerals. Foods rich in folic acid, such as leafy green vegetables, oranges, and fortified cereals, are particularly important to help prevent neural tube defects. Moving into the second trimester, it's all about fueling rapid growth. Your baby is growing faster than at any other time, and your body needs extra energy. This is where complex carbohydrates found in whole grains, legumes, and vegetables come into play. They provide a steady supply of energy to support your baby's development and help you feel energized and satisfied. In the third trimester, we're preparing for birth. Your baby is almost ready to meet the world, and your body is stocking up on nutrients to support breastfeeding. Calcium and vitamin D found in dairy products and fortified foods are crucial for your baby's bone development. Omega-3 fatty acids found in oily fish and walnuts are essential for your baby's brain and eye development. But remember, everyone's nutritional needs are unique. What works for one person might not work for another. So it's always a good idea to consult with your healthcare provider to get personalized advice on your diet during pregnancy. They can help you make sure you're getting the right balance of nutrients for you and your baby. Remember, a well-balanced diet during pregnancy not only keeps you healthy, but also sets up your baby for a healthy start in life.